YouTube? It's officially Thursday morning, on my way to Cebu, and I am gonna be there for 11 nights, and then it's back to Thailand for my birthday. Let's keep it moving. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ron, back in Cebu, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the spot where I'm staying in. Now I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I think I might have ended up staying at the same place that I did that apartment tour with that Filipina named Vanessa. I'm like, the building looks very familiar, elevators look very familiar, amenities look very familiar. I think I'm in the same building, you guys, as the apartment tour that she showed me. So this is how you walk in. They got this huge big ass deadbolt because I got a key. I gotta type in a code to come in. And got your little dining area here. Yeah, I'm pissed off about that, by the way. Living room area. The TV here. Got a fan in the corner, but we got aircon in here as well as in the bedroom. I'll show you guys that in a minute. And then you got the kitchen here. When I walked in, they did have some waters for the kids, so I went in and threw them in the fridge. Got a microwave, you know, pretty much all the amenities. And again, got a washer and all that. And that right there probably looks like an extra, some kind of form of a rollout bed, maybe if you got extra guests. And what was interesting is here, when I first opened this door and saw it was only a toilet here, I freaked out. But then I saw this other door and I was like, oh, okay. And it makes it look even more familiar because I kind of remember her showing me this as well. So, you know what I'm saying? Regular old-fashioned tub, not the stand-up walk-in. I'm like, you get kind of spoiled with the stand-up walk-ins, man, when you come to these Asian countries. I'm like, I'm more used to seeing that than anything. And as you can see, got your balcony here. Honest with you, wish I had a better view, but it's all good. Because as you guys know, if you watched me last time I was here in Cebu when I did the tour with Vanessa, I'm literally like minutes away from the beach, and there is a pool here as well. And here we go with the bedroom. Got your little mirror here. Another aircon. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. And that over there, that's just a closet. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. So, not too shabby. I'm only gonna be here 10 nights. Now, this was expensive though. It was about, I think I wanna say about 500. Now, you gotta keep in mind, man, I don't want guys to get discouraged and be like, man, that's expensive for 10 days, but you gotta think this is Airbnb, one of the newer buildings built in Cebu, nice part of town, all the amenities, you know. And keep in mind, when I did the tour with Vanessa when I was here last time, she said that these apartments, the one that I'm in now, these typically go for about $400 a month, which is a really, really, really good deal when you consider. I'm like, that's half of what I was paying back home, and I was in the hood, and the apartment was probably smaller, to be honest with you, or about the same size, but this is a lot nicer in a nice area with all the amenities that you get included versus being in the hood paying double the price with no amenities whatsoever. You feel me? So just keep that in mind. So when I tell y'all prices, I don't want y'all to get discouraged. And maybe I'll reach out to Vanessa and see if she can show me maybe another building or something, and maybe I'll let her know that I'm out here, because it is crazy to see that it looks like I am in the exact same building that she showed me, because this setup and this layout look very, very similar. All right, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and end that here, and I'm gonna let my phone charge for a minute, and then I'm about to go down here, grab me something to eat, stop at the store, grab a few things. I'll probably go ahead and vlog and show you guys that as well. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, what's going on, you guys? So grab something to eat, some drinks, just grab some water and a little beer here and there, you know, just in case, you know, you want to crack a cold one every now and again. And stop by Mickey D's because I'm just trying to get something in my stomach real quick. But yeah, bro, right back in Lapu. Probably looks pretty familiar. Matter of fact, I'm trying to think. Matter of fact, this is where I had that interview with Sharon at. I'm saying, I'm like, I see a few of us out here too, a little bit more than I did the last time, I gotta say. All right, so got a pharmacy here, Dunkin' Donuts here, a little Easy Mart there. Then in a minute we'll be passing the realtor place where Vanessa works at, who gave us that tour last time I was here. So I always had a feeling if I ever came back after she gave us that tour that I was gonna stay here, because I really like the convenience of it. Like, there's even like more restaurants over there, which I'll probably go over there tomorrow or something. Then you got like street food spots like that. Then, like I said, you take this street all the way down to the end, and it's gonna put you right in front of the beach. Then, okay, I'm trying to make sure I didn't pass her up, so that way if any of you guys interested, y'all know exactly where to come. So again, the name of this place is called the Mocktown Newtown. You might see it right there. Go up this ramp, and as you can see, they still adding on a building to it. I remember her saying that as well. Yeah. Oh yeah, they adding on to this place, y'all. So you got that there. Starbucks here. Like, plenty of restaurants, guys, plenty of options. Very convenient, like, and it's all like on this one strip. That's the reason why I like it so much. And there's actually a couple places where you can go here and damn, I might have passed it up, you guys, because I don't see it. But there is a few places here that you can stop in. Seems like some of these hotels got ATM machines right on the lobby floor, which is very, very convenient for me, because for some reason, I think it's because of who I bank with, I can only withdraw out of BPI ATM machines, versus I know some people, they're still able to withdraw out of all machines regardless of who they bank with. But it's one of the reasons why hey, how y'all doing? This is one of the reasons why I kind of prefer Thailand over the Philippines, because like, no matter what ATM it is, I can withdraw money from it, like, no matter what. Now, I recently heard somebody say that you can withdraw more out of the yellow ATM machines as opposed to all the other ones. But you know, Thailand, as far as like just getting access to money, it's just way, way more convenient too. I'm gonna try this one day too, that chicken and beer. If y'all remember that. And so you got one 7-Eleven down there by the McDonald's, and you got another one right here, which is right across from where I'm staying over here, which I'll be showing you shortly. So, and to be honest with you, I think this is probably another reason why some people prefer coming over here versus Columbia, because I don't think there's any way I've been able to walk down Columbia with all this shit in my hand and a camera and wearing this without probably looking like a lick. But I don't know, you never know. But I don't know, I think it's easy for anybody to feel more comfortable over here. And this is where I'm staying at, right here. Alright. Now one of the things I don't like about this place is so the way they got these places set up, you guys, is on the ground floor you got to go up to the 4th floor to get to the next set of elevators. So I got to go up the 4 and then I got to walk over to get to the other elevator, get to the floor that I'm on. However, it's kind of dope that they set it up this way, because on the 4th floor is where all the amenities are. So got your tennis court here, which is pretty cool. Playground over there. Oh yeah, I'm going the wrong way. This way, y'all. So yeah, because this is Tower B, and then that's Tower C this way. So you got these other set of elevators over here. But as you go over to the other elevators, you're gonna run across culinary station. She said that's like an area where you can eat at, have parties at, got the locker rooms for the gym. This is the pool area. Yeah, this is exactly where she brought me at last time. I remember this very, very, very well. And we got a little bit of a play area here. Got some rock climbing right there. You know what I'm saying? So that look like a nice little chill patio there. And you got the spa area here. No, that's female, and then this is male. And then you got the gym over here. Alright. So the way they got it set up is kind of dope. At the same time, kind of a headache. So it's like, if you do want to go swimming, go to the gym or whatever, it's like, okay, 4th floor. But if you're staying on the upper floors, you gotta come to the 4th floor in order to get to these elevators to get to the higher levels. Is that going down or?
Going upstairs?
Yeah, I'm going up.
Going down?
I'm going up. Oh, it changed? Okay, cool.
Going down?
No, I'm going up.
Oh, down.
Oh, it's what? Thank you. Thank you. Alright. So, I wonder how that works, because apparently, I guess you can go to the ground floor from here. I guess might have to be a longer walk on that 1st floor, but yeah, man. So, yeah, that's pretty much it, bro. I'm like, I ain't about to do super thorough, because technically y'all already seen this if you've been following me on here. Because as a matter of fact, I want to say the place she showed me was like one of those apartments, but this is where I'm at. You know it's official because it got that key in, like you gotta have a code. That's usually how you know it's Airbnb. You know what I'm saying? I ain't letting y'all see the code though. Yeah, buddy. And we in here, we back in here, you guys. And it's feeling good. Yeah, trust and believe I was gonna leave that AC on. I don't give a damn what they talking about. And it actually don't feel too bad outside either, man. Cause as you can see, it's a bit of an overcast. It ain't like really sunny or anything like that, so. But yeah, you guys, that's it. About to go on here and eat, chill, relax, cause I'm tired from waking up super early and getting ready to get on the flight. I'm like, which I damn near missed again. I tell you, but it's all good, man. It is all good, bro. Appreciate you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here, and I am supposed to be linking up with Jim from True Girls this weekend. Supposed to be this like some kind of black Filipino meetup at a church. I think that'll really be dope. Especially considering I really haven't seen any black Filipinos like that since I started traveling to the Philippines. So I think that'll be cool. And to be honest with you, my luggage, there's some shit in there that I think I can really go without, and I'm thinking about donating it. Cause I'm like, especially some of these shoes, cause I know, you know, the shoes might look like they all right, but I've had them for way longer than what I really thought. And then I got like one pair of shoes that I brought with me that are brand new that I still haven't worn yet. So yeah, man. And plus, you know, I think it'll just be good for the people, man. Just to, you know, I just want to, you know, show, you know, do something, man. Cause man, if it's one thing that I do love about the Philippines that they might have Thailand beat on, is the hospitality. Like, Filipino people are so effing cool, bro. Like, cool as a fan. So yeah, and they love YouTube. That's why, like, me walking around, everybody just kind of eyeballing me and saying hi and shit like that. So it's pretty cool, man. But all right, I don't ring my mouth too much. I'm about to go eat. Peace, deuces. I'm out of here.